Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to cite AI tools using APA Citation. The information I share with you in this video are based on this article published by the American Psychological Association. In this video, I'm going to show you the types of AI citation, how the citations will look like in the reference list, the two types of in-text citation. I'm going to share with you an APA citation tool that I use. Then I'm going to share with you an example of how you cite an AI tool. The way to cite AI tools will differ based on how you use it. There are two APA citation formats for AI, and this is unique to AI. Other resources like books and articles have only one APA format. The first format is General AI Citation. You use this type of citation when it would be unhelpful, unethical, or otherwise inappropriate to cite a specific conversation, or when you want to acknowledge or point out that you used an AI tool to generate the content in your project or research paper or assignment. The other format is when you want to cite a specific AI chat. Sometimes researchers use AI as a thought partner or idea generator and would like to keep track of the conversation. In other examples, some instructors will allow you to use AI for certain assignments or projects, but they ask you to share your work. In these situations, you want to share the exact conversation that you had with the AI tool. Here is the basic format for citing an AI tool. If you want to have a general AI tool citation, you start with the name of the company, the year when you had the conversation or used that AI tool, the name of the tool or the model that you used. You can provide a description of that tool or that model, then a link to that AI tool. If you want to cite a specific AI chat, you start with the name of the company, the year, comma, month, and day when that conversation took place, the title of the chat. This is unique to the AI tool that you use. Some AI tools, like ChatGPT, for example, they do not provide you with a title for the conversation. In these situations, try to provide a description of the conversation that took place. In other AI tools like Claude, for example, when you have conversations back and forth, the tool itself will provide a title for that chat. In these situations, you copy the title, or if you don't like the title, you can rename it and use that name as the title for the chat. Then you provide the name of the tool. Finally, a URL for the chat. And again, this part is also unique to the AI tool that you use. In ChatGPT, for example, you have to scroll down, click the share button, and click the copy link. That will generate a unique link for that conversation. In Claude, for example, you copy the link that is in the browser. One very important thing to keep in mind is anybody who have access to the URL of the chat will be able to continue the conversation that you had with the AI tool. It will not be saved, but they will be able to continue the conversation that you started. When it comes to in-text citation, just like any other type of resources, you have parenthetical citation and a narrative citation. When it comes to APA citation tools, there is a lot of tools available online. I personally like to use Grammarly as it's easy to use and covers quite a lot of resources. Let's take a quick example on how to cite AI tools and how to cite a specific chat in AI tools. This is a very basic, straightforward example. Your situation might be a little bit different, but the tools and the way to cite is still the same way. The example I'm going to use, I'm going to ask two AI tools the following question. Give me a list of the top 5 countries that have AI infrastructure and talent. I'm going to use ChatGPT and Claude. Asking the question to ChatGPT, here are the results. Here are the results on Claude. To provide a general AI citation, you can go to your favorite APA citation tool. In my case, as I shared, I like to use Grammarly. With this tool, you can pick if you want APA, MLA, or Chicago. You can select the source. As you can see, there's an extensive list of sources that you can cite. Then you start to enter the information of the AI tool. On the right-hand side, you see the citation. You can copy the citation and put it in your reference list. Another thing good about this tool is it also provides you with the in-text citation. One thing to keep in mind that no tool is perfect. In this case, the in-text citation, this is parenthetical citation. It's not a narrative citation. When it comes to the actual citation, this is a general citation for the AI tool. As I mentioned, in some cases, you might want to cite the exact conversation. In these cases, you need to add a little bit more information, and the citation in the reference list will look a little bit different. If you want to cite a specific conversation, you need two more pieces of information. The first one is the title of the conversation. The second one is the unique URL to that conversation. And these depend on the AI tool that you use. In ChatGPT, for example, it does not provide you a title. So for the title, you need to provide a description of the conversation that took place. For the URL, you have to scroll all the way down, click Share, select Copy Link. This will create a unique URL address for that specific conversation. In other tools, like a Claude, for example, it provides you the title, which you can see right over here, or you can open the sidebar and the title will be over here. You can rename the title or you can delete it, but that will be the title that you use. For the URL, you copy the URL in the browser. Once you have these two pieces of information, you can check the format that I already shared with you, and you can create the reference for that AI tool. Using these two AI tools, this is how they would look like in the reference list if I'm doing a general AI tool citation. If I want to cite a specific conversation, this is how the citation would look like. Notice that they are different from each other. The in-text citation will look the same, but the way they look in the reference list is different. Here's an example of how you can create an in-text citation. Assuming that this is the paragraph or the sentence where I want to cite the AI tool. For parenthetical citation, you can do something like this. For a narrative citation, you can do something like this. The word choice and the writing style obviously is different. It depends on your own unique writing style, but here are all the tools that you need to create in-text citation as well as to cite an AI tool, either in a general format or to cite a specific conversation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful. Have a great rest of your day.